In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a real-time sync between Excel and Google Sheets without Excel add-ins. The goal here is simple. You will take an Excel workbook that lives on your computer, upload it to Google Drive, open it, and then convert it into a native Google Sheets file. This matters because Google Sheets is designed for live, cloud-based collaboration. Once your file is saved as a Google Sheet, changes are saved automatically in real time within Google Drive, and anyone you share it with can see updates immediately. You are doing all of this without installing anything in Excel. Start by opening Google Drive in your web browser. Make sure you are signed in to the correct Google account where you want the file to live. If you use multiple accounts, double-check the profile in the top corner so you do not upload it to the wrong drive. Next, look to the top left area of Google Drive and click the New button. This is where you create or upload content into Drive. From the menu that opens, select File Upload. Your computer will open a file picker window. Locate your Excel file, the one that ends in .xzsx, and select it to begin the upload. Wait until the upload finishes. Depending on file size and your internet connection, it may take a few seconds or a bit longer. You want to see that the file is fully uploaded before continuing. Once the upload is complete, find the Excel file in your Drive list and double-click it to open it. It will open in Google's Spreadsheet viewer, where you can preview the workbook and confirm it is the correct file. Now go to the File menu at the top of the Spreadsheet interface. Clicking File will show a drop-down of actions you can take for this workbook in Google's environment. In that menu, select Save as Google Sheets. This creates a new, fully compatible Google Sheets version of your file. Your original Excel file remains in Drive, and the converted Google Sheet is saved as a separate file, usually with the same name. At this point, you should work from the Google Sheets version to take advantage of real-time cloud updates and automatic saving. And that covers everything you need to know.